Hey kids, so here we are again with a problem for laws of motion, and this time the problem is that there's a scooter. Let's assume that this is a scooter and it's accelerated from 18.5 meter per second to 46.1 meter per second in time 2.47 second. Might be a Superman might be riding that scooter, I don't know. So we have to determine the acceleration. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find acceleration, okay, and the distance traveled. So how to find the acceleration? Okay, so very easy. A equals to v minus u upon t. What is v? 46.1 minus u 18.5. Time is 2.47. Lots of calculation upon 2.47, and we are using a calculator here to calculate this. So it comes 11.17 meter per second square. Okay, you can cross check the calculation, might be wrong, but this is the way we should do it. Okay, then we are using 2as equals to v square minus u square. S equals to v square minus u square upon 2a. Okay, what is v square? What is v? 46.1 whole square. What is u? 18.5 the whole square upon 2 times what was a? 11.17. So again this is a hefty calculation here. Okay, so let's calculate. It comes 79.81 something meter. Okay, so calculation which is heavy. Okay, the question is easy.